are here, the Venus Fort outlets in Odaiba. Very, very excited to hit up this Nike outlet here. And it's pretty decent. They usually have some pretty good stuff here, so let's go check it out. This place is also known as Pallet Town. Shout out to all my Pokemon players out there. And here's a little map of the outlet. Where is the Nike outlet from here? No map here, but I know where it is by heart. Oh yeah, about Pallet Town, there's also a Pikachu vending machine here, so if you guys want a cool photo in front of it, the Ferris wheel is behind me. And basically the whole shopping center is right there behind me. And if you walk towards the Tokyo Teleport Station, they have the vending machine right here. Oh my gosh, Tim. Oh my gosh. Inside the building with the Pikachu vending machine, they actually have a map of the island. So if you need some help, they got you covered. And they even have a money exchange here too. This is one of the few Nike outlets in Japan, right by Tokyo. It's about a 40-minute trip from Shibuya, Harajuku, that area. And it's really easy to get to and very, very accessible by train. So if you have some time to kill, find out what the Japanese outlets are like, definitely come to the Venus Fort outlets in Odaiba. This is also Tim's first time here at the Nike outlets in Japan, and he's doing a crazy $500 Nike outlet challenge. Tim, are you ready to spend some money?
I'm ready to spend 55,000 Japanese yen.
This mall is pretty cool. It really reminds me of Las Vegas. If you guys have ever been shopping in Las Vegas, they have a mall just like this, but on a much larger scale and with lots of designer stores. We even have a water fountain here. We have the same sort of roof here as well, or ceiling. And I think the Nike outlet is down there, so let's get going. This is really cool. There's a I don't know how to say it, Caricature Japan booth right here. And I've never seen these before in Japan, but I know they're really popular in America. Check it out, we got a Hypebeast over here with like a Yeezy hoodie, some Vans Skate highs down below. That's actually so cool. Check this out, they turned this kid into a freaking like chicken. So we made it, the Nike outlet is right behind me. Let's go check it out. So this Nike outlet is actually a Nike factory store. So they have a lot of shoes on the hash wall. I'm excited to find some hidden gems. It is a Sunday, so it is pretty crowded, I want to say. I'll leave Tim to do his thing, and I think we'll check out the hash wall first, and then we'll see what sneakers are available on these shelves. Japanese people tend to have really small feet, so we're going to start off in the smaller sizes right here with the 26 centimeters or size 8. A lot of the shoes are going to be size 8 to size 9. If you go size 10.5 and up, they pretty much don't really have any selection. So what do we have here? Some VaporMax Premier Flyknits for 20,000 yen. These are crazy. These are like a techwear utility Nike Air VaporMax. We got some Nike Air Force 1 lows here for 7,000 yen. The black and gray sort of double swoosh pattern right here on the side. We have some SFAF1 Mid Premiums. These are 15,000 yen in this like brown wheat colorway. Actually, is this leather? Oh wow. It's like a really nice sort of vachetta tan leather right here on the upper, and then the back half is like this October orange pumpkin kind of color. These are different. I've never seen these before. These are the Women's Zoom Pegasus Turbo XX for 14,000 yen. Look at the midsole. There's like already creasing on the midsole. That's a little sad since it is a brand new shoe, but it's different. It's different. I don't think they actually have a men's version for this particular shoe. Next up, we got some Nike Air Max 98s right here. I like this colorway. It's like this white and gold woman's, oh, it's a woman's pair. So this is actually size 8.5 and it's going for 11,000 yen. I like it. We have a very simple black and white colorway. This isn't a leather shoe. This is half like nylon and then half suede. These are going for 5,000 yen, size 8.5 US. So it looks like they have a lot of sizes for those Air Max 98s I showed you guys earlier. But one shoe they have here that I haven't seen yet are the Jordan 1 mids, and this is like a strapped up colorway, size 8.5, the double strap, going for 14,000 yen. They also have the Nike Zoom Fly, size 9. These are going for 9,000 yen. I love the Zoom Fly. They're a super, super comfortable sneaker, and this is probably the one colorway I keep seeing at the Nike outlets. So I'm curious if they're gonna have these also in Cebu when we go over to those Nike outlets. Looks like we have a couple colorways of the Air VaporMax Plus. We have this purple one right here. Not too bad, not my style, but very, very comfortable sneaker. These are going for 15,000 yen. Then they also have the utility run for even cheaper, 13,000 yen for these. This colorway is really, really clean. It's a black and like olive color scheme. Really messed with these, and if they were in my size, I would consider buying them, but these are a size 9, so a bit too small for me. Wasn't expecting to find any Nike React Epic Flyknits here, but they do have this one color scheme. A little different though. The sock upper really goes high right there. You guys can see it's almost like a mid-cut running shoe, and these are going for 13,000 yen, size 9.5, laceless. Ooh, we got some more heat, size 9.5 this time. Air Max 97s for 15,000 yen. And this blue and yellow colorway, really clean. I've actually never seen this colorway in stores before, so this is definitely a refreshing find. Two colorways of the Nike Air Max Command Premium. So this colorway is the navy blue, going for 7,000 yen. I haven't messed with this shoe. It sort of reminds me of the Nike Air Skylon 2. So this is the navy blue colorway. They also have a gray colorway here, which would be really clean for the spring. And these are also going for 7,000 yen. I like these a lot. Now these are funky. The Nike Air Max 97 BW for 14,000 yen. We have the Volt Air unit there, full length Volt Air unit. Then we have some hits of silver, some gray, some navy blue, and black. Found some more Air Jordan 1s, the size 10 and 10.5 section. We have the green pair. And this actually has the Nike branding underneath of the swoosh. Really solid colorway for fall, not so much for the spring, but going for, how much was this again? Going for 10,000 yen. 10,000 yen, that's a solid price. We also have the white laces if you want to swap them up. I probably would swap them up for the spring. They have some Nike SFAF1 highs, size 10, 13,000 yen. These are like some weird boot looking. These are really, really weird, man. I don't think I could ever pull these off. These look like an actual like rubberized like work boot, but it's all leather. And yeah, we're gonna throw these back. Are these a cop or a drop? Let me know what to pull in the top right hand corner. Found some basic black Nike Grandstand 2s. These are going for 5,000 yen. Very simple black and white sneaker. Some Nike Air Max 95s. This is a woman's version, so this is size 9.5 men's for 11,000 yen. Black, silver, gray, and gold. Reminds me of the pair that Foot Locker gave me for their week of greatness. Pretty solid colorway, and the price point of 11,000 yen is not horrible either. What on earth are these? We got these Air Jordan 1 High Zips for 13,000 yen. Brown colorway, zipper down the middle, purple Nike Air. Let's just put that back. These are ugly. Okay, I gotta say, these are heat. These might be the best Nike outlet find today here in Japan. Let's check these out. Bam, here we have it, the Nike Women's Air Force 1 MTLC for 9,000 yen. This is 11 women's or size 9.5 men's. Has this very like light lavender leather upper, and it has a really, really shiny golden swoosh with the Nike on the back as well. These are really nice for 9,000 yen. Size 12 Air Force 1 low, white and leather. I really, really mess with these. These are one of the largest pairs I've found here at the outlet. These are size 12, some Air Force 1 lows for 9,000 yen. These are loud. We got some Nike Vapor Max Plus size 11.5 going for 18,000 yen. These are insanely, insanely loud. I don't know if I could pull these off, but they are a pretty fire colorway. Next up, we are in the Jordan section, and there really isn't too much heat here in Japan. It's usually hit or miss. Like some locations will have some fire, but for the most part, it's all like just garbage. We have these Jordan 10s. These are probably one of the only retros that I can find here at the outlet. These are going for 18,000 yen, and these are not going to move at 18,000 yen. Like look at all the sizes and pairs they have left. These are going to stay for a while. We got some foams for 16K. We got some canvas Air Force 1 lows. These are going for 7,000 yen in this like dark gray and gum colorway. I messed with these. This is a solid pickup. These shoes would just collect dust in my collection. Like this is a really solid shoe. You know, if you are looking for that one or two, you know, sneaker to wear a year, this could be that pair, but for me, this is just like another GR to me. And they even have some special M2K Technos. They have an olive green colorway here for 10,000 yen. And yeah, that's I think that's a decent price for the M2K Technos for a special release at least. You don't see this colorway very often. Some very simple Nike Cortez in a navy blue colorway for 5,000 yen. Nylon material, hits of suede as well. Got some Vapor Max Plus 2s right here in this burgundy and tan colorway. We got hits of like leather on the back. That's different. And then we also got some Air Max 97s, black and white colorway, 14,000 yen. We got some Sequence 4s, I think. Really reminds me of the Air Max 270. And these might be my favorite from today. We got some Air Max 97s in this red and purple colorway, giving me some Raptors kind of vibes. These are nice. These are really solid for 11,000 yen. And it looks like they have a lot of sizes here available as well. So if you guys here are in Odaiba or in Japan over the next couple of weeks, they should have these available. So the Philippines is really good when it comes to their Jordan selection at the Nike outlets. But here I see a lot of Air Max sneakers. So let me show you guys all the Air Max love they have here in Japan. Also, we've been bumping into lots of subscribers here in Japan, including employees at sneaker stores and even here at this Nike outlet. So shout out to all of the Japanese SneakerTalk family. With that said, let's take a look at these Air Maxes. These are different. I've never seen this before. It sort of reminds me of the Nike Roshi Run with the way the sole is, but for 4,000 yen we have the Nike Air Max Nostalgic. Very small air unit on this one. We also have some Air Max Deluxes. We got the SEs for the olive colorway, 14,000 yen. We got this like black and red colorway on the outsole, 14,000 yen for these ones. We got, I think, one of the OG colorways for 10,000 yen. We got another colorway. This one's actually really vibrant. Probably one of the better ones for spring. 13,000 yen for this Air Max Deluxe. Got this one, probably my least favorite out of all of them, for another 10,000 yen. This one sort of reminds me of like a watermelon a little bit. Getting watermelon vibes from this one. I like the way this looks though. Next up we have some very simple Air Max Deluxes. This is like a gray white color scheme for 15,000 yen. And then we also have a core black one here as well, going for 15,000 yen. Now we got some Air Max 98s, pink colorway, 10k yen. Not bad. And then we have the, this is really like a watermelon kind of vibe, 14,980 yen. These are some loud Air Max 98s. Even though it's predominantly black, the neon hits on this shoe are very obnoxious. Looks like we found some decent Air Jordan 1s right here. We got the triple black Jordan 1 mid for 14,000 yen, a mixture of this nubuck and leather upper. So that was the men's section for the Nike outlet here in Odaiba. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the women's sneakers, specifically the Nike Cortez, because that's my girlfriend's favorite Nike sneaker. So shout out to my girlfriend if she's watching this. This is dedicated to you. And then when we're done here, we're going to get some lunch and probably fly over to Cebu for their Nike outlet. So let's take a look at these Cortez. 7,000 yen for these white and sort of beige Nike Cortez. Not too bad. We got the classic Forrest Gump style for 10,000 yen. They also have this nylon one here for 4,000 yen. This is very similar to the one my girlfriend had, but it's more of a peach kind of color scheme, not a very vivid kind of pink. Then we have the simple white and black ones for 10,000 yen, and these ones are going for 6,000 over here. Oh, they even have some navy blue ones. The navy blues are going for 8,000 yen. I'm just like fixing the displays for all the shoes while I do this. And I can't find any Air Jordans here, but they do have a bunch of Air Force Ones, so 8K for these Air Force Ones. We also have the same ones but green instead of that orangey peach. And then we have these really loud ones. I feel like my mom would love these ones in particular. She loves her purple sneakers, so shout out to my mom for this one. Check this out. They have some Nike duffel bags for 3,000 yen. They're actually huge. I might have to buy one of these so I can store some more shoes when I go back to the Philippines. And I don't really show you guys much apparel, but since we're here in the clothing and accessories section, they got some really cool Nike pants, loose fit for 3,000 yen. And then I really like these ones, these red, white, and black. It has like a Nike swoosh almost. Really cool. These would look good for summer. These are 7,000 yen, so a little bit more pricey. So we're about to cash out my black duffel bag that's really huge, and they also have some of these side bags here at the end of the store at the cash registers. 2,000 yen. They got olive, they have navy blue, and they have black. So 2,000 yen for a pretty solid Nike side bag. That's tempting me. That's very tempting. If you made it to the end of the video, we did extend the Bape sneaker giveaway until June 30th. So if you want to enter the giveaway, subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Please turn on those notifications. Hit that like button down below and comment down below what country I should go to Nike outlet shopping. I've shown you guys a few other countries besides Canada and Japan, but you know, I'm always looking for some more countries to hit up. So let me know which country I should go to. With that said, we'll be uploading the Philippines Nike outlet vlog tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe, and you'll have another chance to enter the Bape sneaker giveaway ending on June 30th on tomorrow's Cebu, Philippines Nike outlet vlog, where we're going to compare Japan's Nike outlet to the Philippines. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. You can check out my last video on the left hand side of the screen, and on the right side we have a bunch of Japan vlogs you guys can binge watch. My Japan videos are my best, so those will probably be the ones you like the most as well.